All right, day one in Stockholm, Sweden. We are starting with Gamla Stan, wandering those old cobblestone streets, checking out the royal palace, and grabbing some classic Swedish meatballs. Then we are hopping on a 2-hour Stockholm Archipelago tour to catch epic views. Stockholm, Sweden is very, very, very bike friendly. They have a lot of bike lanes, separate from streets. It's very, very safe, and there are a lot of bikers here. If I live here in this city, for sure, I would own a bike and transport mostly using the bike. It's cheap, it's even faster in many instances, faster than like public transportation. Because a lot of shortcuts, you don't have to go down to the station, up from the other station. It's so beautiful in here, and you know, as a history fan and history geek, I love old buildings. Old buildings here in Stockholm are all over the place. I'm so glad that they were neutral during World War II, because they spare themselves a lot of destruction. You know, unlike some cities in Germany like Berlin, you can tell that everything was rebuilt after you know, the huge destruction of World War II. Here, it's preserved. Everything is preserved. Stockholm is a living architectural fossil. A city frozen in time, full of preserved masterpieces. One of the finest example is the Royal Chapel inside the Royal Palace in Gamla Stan. A stunning blend of Baroque and Rococo that still feels alive today. We are in our way to Meatball for the People, a dedicated restaurant for the famous Swedish meatball. Established in 2013 and quickly became Sweden's first dedicated meatball or meatballeria. That's how they call it, if you specialize in Swedish meatball. I did not make this up. All right, finally, moment of truth. We ordered 2 of them. This is our first Swedish meal in Stockholm, Sweden. My relationship with Swedish meatballs is like most people in the United States and in the world, through IKEA. Every single time we go to IKEA, we order Swedish meatball, and it's wonderful. It's delicious, and traditionally it's cooked with half beef and half pork. Today we ordered veal meatballs and beef meatballs. One with pasta and one with a traditional way of making it, which is with mashed potatoes and meatball and cranberry. And this one has some cucumber. All right, I'm gonna start with the veal. Oh, look at that. Cooked to perfection. Skål, which means cheers in English.
In English.
Oh yeah, this is like 10 times better than the IKEA version. You wanna try it?
No, I want to try that.
You wanna try the one with the flag? All right, go ahead.
Here, do you want to put it on a fork?
That is just so good.
Okay, put it there. Okay. Try the mashed potatoes. Do you want a fork? No, I use the gravy.
Yeah, with the gravy. Look at that. All right, now I'm gonna try the
With the pasta.
Yep. There you go. There you go. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pasta with it. Cheers. Much better than the IKEA version, but the veal version better than the beef version, just by a little bit. I do recommend it. 9 out of 10.
What?
Why is that fall on the floor?
Where's your fork, man? Let's go. Get it with a little bit of this and with the pickle.
All right.
I like it. Do you actually like the veal better, Dad?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Yeah, this gravy's good. More?
And I like the beef. I don't like the veal though. I think the mashed potatoes and gravy are good. The pasta is alright. I don't like the berries. The pickles are fine. I think it's all nice.
Rapid fire feedback.
All right. That was a lot of walking. We walked a lot. My limit is 10,000 steps. Anything more than that, my feet hurt. That is very nice, Miriam. Thank you. Very, very nice. All right, and our fun fact segment. So, 3 fun facts about Sweden and Stockholm. Stockholm is built on 14 islands, connected by 50 bridges, which is why it is often called the Venice of the North. Fun fact number 2. The city's metro system is sometimes called the world's longest art gallery, with over 90 decorated stations full of sculptures, mosaics, and paintings. That's pretty cool. Fact number 3. Stockholm was the first city in the world to host the Nobel Prize ceremonies, which have been held here every year since 1901. Fantastic, Miriam. Good job. Good job.
More rocking. Stop rocking me.
Yes, you're up.
Yes. My meatballs are coming back up. I can't move. I hope you're not beeping at me.
We are going to catch a 2-hour archipelago boat tour, and there's going to be a lot of nice sightseeing there. It's kind of the main goal of day 1. Join me.
Honestly, this is kinda unreal. You've got these little islands popping up everywhere, and we're just cruising past old ferries, that classic white ship, and even these vintage Swedish houses tucked right into the shoreline. What really hits me is how quiet everything is. Like, you can tell people come out here because they don't want to be surrounded by a million tourists. or a ton of noise. These islands feel almost secret, almost like a little hideout for Swedish people who just want to get away and enjoy the pure serenity. Every few minutes we pass another tiny island, and I'm thinking, damn, imagine living here and walking up to these views every morning. No traffic, no crowds, just nature, calm water, birds, some old wooden pier from the 1800s. It's honestly such a different vibe from the city. Stockholm is beautiful, but out here you feel like you're stepping into a different world. If I were Swedish, I totally get why I'd escape out here whenever I get the chance. This whole place is like a quiet little sanctuary, and I kinda never want to leave.